So yesterday in Zoom of class, what we have discussed, in order of operation, if so many brackets are there, how to solve that problem, we are going to see that one only. So BIDMAS means you already know. B stands for bracket. So B stands for bracket, I indices, D division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. So if it is so many brackets are there, how we have to solve? So first listen. So we have to see which is the innermost bracket here. So question is 12 minus bracket 3 minus set bracket 6 minus bracket 5 minus 1 bracket. So 3 brackets are there. So this is the outermost bracket. This one is the outermost bracket. Inside that bracket, the set bracket is there. Okay. So next, and inside the set bracket, there is another one bracket. So first you have to finish the inner bracket. So what is inside the inner bracket? 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means, so 5 minus 1, 4. If we finish that operations inside the bracket, we can close the bracket. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So the now inner bracket is over. Then another 2 brackets only remaining. So this is the outer bracket. So we have to finish next inner bracket. So 12 minus, so 3 minus 6 minus 4, what we get? 2. So after finishing this operation, we can close the bracket. Then outer bracket is remaining. Then 12 minus 3 minus 2, what we get? 1. So every bracket is over. Then solve with the outer number. 12 minus 1, we get 11. So 11 is the answer. So understood? Next, another one example. So listen here. So how many brackets here? So now listen the question. 20 plus bracket of 8 into 2 plus brackets 6 into 3 bar minus 10 divided by 5. So 2 brackets are there. So first this is the outermost bracket. Then see the inner bracket. This one is the inner bracket. Okay. So first we have to solve this inner bracket. So according to BIDMAS, we can solve only the division inside the bracket. But if there is any bar, in the sum, so we have to finish that bar sums, okay? 20 plus 8 into 2 plus set bracket. So 6 into 3 means 6 3s are 18. So now bar is over. So 18 minus 10 divided by 5. Okay, then so we have to finish this, the inner bracket we have to finish next. 20 plus 8 into 2 plus, so for inside the bracket there is 2 operation is there. So first we have to do the division. 18 minus 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then another only one operation is there inside the bracket. Then we have to finish that one. 20 plus, so 8 into 2 plus 18 minus 2, what we get? 16. So now we can remove the inner brackets. Inner bracket. 20 plus, then here in this bracket there is 2 operations. So first we have to do the multiplication. According to the BIDMAS rule, we have to do division is not there, then multiplication and addition. So multiplication comes first. So we have to do the multiplication. 8 to 16. 16 plus 16. Then 16 plus 16, what we get? 32. Now we can remove the bracket. 20 plus 32, what we get? 52 is the answer. So understood? Likewise, only you have to do if so many brackets are in the same expression. So you have to see the inner bracket first. You have to close that inner bracket, and then after closing all the brackets only you can solve the sum. Then only you can find the answer. Okay, then in estimation sum, many of are having so many doubts, no? So listen, so 3609 345. If they are asking to find the nearest 10,000 place, so in 10,000 place, if they are asking to find the nearest 10,000 place or round off to the nearest 10,000 place. So nearest 10,000 place value is 0. If they are asking to find any place value, underline that place value first. So in 10,000 place 0 is there. Next to that place value 9 is there. So I already told if the next place value is 5 or above 5, one more 10,000 or one is added to the given place value. Okay, so 10,000 is added to the given place value. Then the right side all the numbers become 0 and the left side the number remains same. So 36 1 0 0 0 0. So this is the round off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, then 4953. So round off to the hundreds place. If they're asking to round off to the hundreds place, so which is the hundreds place here? 9 is the hundreds place. So after 9, what number is there? 5 is there. If it is 5 means we have to add one more 100 to the given place value. So that means 9 plus 1, 10. 10 how we can add means here you have to add like this. Okay, so now 4 plus 1, what we get? 5. 5 other numbers become 0. So 5,000 is the nearest 100 for this. Okay, understood? So this only we have discussed in the Zoom up class. Go through this. Tomorrow you are having test in this portion. Prepare well and do well. Okay, thank you students.